We're here at Raphael's school in Niles, and this is our spa student, Jacqueline. She's going to demonstrate for us a professional lash lift. Lash lifts are becoming more and more popular, and they're a great alternative for clients who want a look that's more natural than lash extensions. So the first step is to cover the lower lashes with a gel pad. Lash lifts give the natural lashes a natural curve up, like using a lash curler without the daily work. They utilize a silicone shaped as opposed to a perm rod. And the result is a more natural curve instead of a caked curl. They generally last anywhere from 1 to 3 months. And next we're gonna brush the top lashes straight down. And the silicone lift next that we're going to apply, you choose small, medium, or large depending on the amount of curl desired and the natural length of the guest's lashes. We're going to glue those. This part's important that they get glued close to the lash, the lid line as possible. And it's just a latex glue, so it's totally safe to use near the eyes and washes right off. So the next step is to slowly start using the same adhesive to glue the lashes into position on the silicone shape. And this part's really important, that you take your time and get the lashes perfectly straight and in position, because however the lashes are placed and glued is how they'll remain after the service. So take your time getting perfection. And Jacqueline's really good at this. She has a special little tool she uses. Just go right across, straight up. Making sure to separate the lashes so that they don't get stuck together. Now, depending on the thickness of the lash, will determine how long we leave the solution on, but we'll apply the solution next and let that set for 12 to 15 minutes. For clients with fine hair, you want to start with 12 minutes. It's mainly applied to the base of the lashes and not all the way up, because that's where you want the lift. Now we're going to wait. And the solution has been removed. Now we're going to apply the second step, which is a neutralizer to set the lashes in place. And I want to mention too, this is an advanced specialty treatment that not all salons offer. And there's a lot of things our students learn here that they're prepared for just about anything out there. Microdermabrasion, dermaplaning, these are all advanced treatments. So this is an advanced aesthetic course, and our students are well ready to be prepared to work in just about any spa or salon and offer things that a lot of schools don't offer. So this is going to set on the lashes for another 12 minutes. This is the neutralizer. It sets the lashes in place. This will keep them curved. I'm going to carefully remove the solution, the Q-tip, and the cleanser. Now, if you were, sometimes what we do is a lift and tint. This would be the time to tint the lashes, which would just make them a little more dramatic, darker. We're just gonna remove the glue next. That's the restore. It's going to condition and put some shine on the lash. Now we're going to remove the silicone shields and the glue from the lashes. And the excess glue. I want to remind Lisa not to use any water on her lashes for 24 hours. So back to the shower or wipe with a washcloth around your eyes. Just help it to last longer. Remove her eye pads. And brush them out with a mascara wand. To brush out the glue and anything that might have gotten stuck to the lash. She can open her eyes now. Beautiful lifted lashes.